Oh my guys, it was indeed an interesting night. Although I saw it coming, even from my own voting pool, my channel, I saw that the vote was higher in kellyrae's side. So guys, I wasn't much of a surprise, but during this kind of thing, you don't just know what to anticipate or see. So guys, this was the journey of how season 9 ended, and also we give it up to Wani them, then give us show. Those twins really entertained us in that house. But when you're loved, you're loved. All the best to kellyrae. I'm really happy for them, because I'm genuinely even rooting for them because of their own tactics, to see if they can withstand the pressure in the house. And of course, they finally withstood it. And all thanks to the DSTV that gave us the show to enjoy. See you guys after the show now is over. We'll give you updates on the well-being of the housemates. Bye. And guys, let me also know how my journey with you guys in this back-to-back information about this season 9 went. I need commentaries on my page. I need your comments. I need the appreciation, because it's not easy. When day and night, I always give you guys back-to-back. And you guys who are watching me so all this while in this journey, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Even the new ones who are viewing today, I appreciate you guys a lot. See you guys in my next video. Bye.